What's up, YouTube? I got a request on Twitter for to show off my push button start from where it's at right now. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got working right now. Okay. And mind you, I got it working. I didn't like the whole turn the key, ignition, and then push the button. So I kind of put a couple relays on there, and I got it working exactly like a factory push button start. So I'm gonna show you how it works. Okay, there's the push button. I don't have the keyhole closed up, but don't even need it right now. Alright, but right now, does nothing. You can hear the relays clicking now. Alright, I got it wired up to my alarm. Press the auxiliary on the alarm. Button activates. Now press the button. My ignition and everything turns on. You can see my accessories on, windshield wipers. Okay. Press it again, does nothing. Once I put my foot on the brake, starts my car. And as you can see, the light turned off, so that means the button's deactivated. Button's deactivated, that means once I press it again, it turns everything off. Nothing. So essentially don't need the key ignition no more. That's how I got it working. That's my push button start. Thank you for watching.